Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I am sharing one of the DIY using decoupage technique. So before starting the video, welcome to the channel. And if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed, please do consider subscribing. Usually, if you are honored in some functions and all, you used to get this type of mementos. After few days, you will be so bored looking at these mementos. Like it is so dull and only for the memories you have to keep it. And I have many more these type of mementos and I don't know what to do with these things. Then I thought, why can't I give a new look for this memento by doing some DIYs. And in the next second I just started doing this project. So before anyhow, this is the sticker which is stick to this. I just removed it and I'll just clean the surface. As you can see, the surface is already painted. I'll give a coat of gesso before doing any DIY. As this is made up of MDF board, it's really strong as they have given a coat of paint and even the varnish. So let me cover this base completely with gesso and leave it to dry. Then you have to give a coat of white acrylic color. So once it is also dry, you have to start your work. So I am taking a decoupage napkin and I have taken this print. If you are my subscriber, you know that I used to do so many DIYs. So I have this many collection of this decoupage napkin. And now to stick them I am using Mod Podge glue. Most of the craft supplies which I am using today is from Itsy Bitsy store. If you would like to buy some stuff, I'll share the link and my coupon code in the description box so that you will get a good discount during the purchase. After applying the Mod Podge glue, you have to place the napkin very carefully and you have to stick the napkin using a dry brush. Before moving to the other step, just allow it to dry completely. To give a neat finish, here I am using this sandpaper. So slowly you have to rub it on the edges so that the extra paper which is stick to the board will come off. In the next step, you have to apply one more coat of Mod Podge glue on this napkin. This will help the napkin to stick to the board properly and also it will help to protect the color to smudge if you are going to paint it. Here I am using this MDF chipboard. I will be coloring it using acrylic color. Initially, I thought I'll color it according to the color which is there in the decoupage paper. Then it was not suiting for the same, then I changed this color. Okay, by the time the chipboard is getting dry, here I'll color this base. And now while coloring, you have to choose some color which is almost similar with this decoupage paper. As you can see, there is yellow flowers in my decoupage paper. I have taken this yellow color. Here instead of yellow, you can go for the green or even the violet. Using a sponge, I am dabbing the color all over. So it will give a neat finish and hide the brush strokes. Now using the same acrylic color, I'll just highlight all the flowers and even the prints whatever there in the decoupage paper. By this, it will just enhance all the prints which is present in this decoupage paper and it will look as if you have painted it. To highlight this, you can use watercolor also. But I am using the acrylic color itself. While using acrylic color, you have to add more water. By this, you will get a proper consistency and you can paint this decoupage napkin very easily. So once you are done with this, just allow it to dry completely. Now it is completely dry and now we'll do some further work on this. Here I'll place the chipboard and see how it is going to look. So I was feeling little bit dull. So I just wanted to paint this chipboard once again with black acrylic color so that the letter will pop up. And here you can see the difference how it's going to change. Just by changing the color, it makes so much of difference. Let's stick this later as I have to give a proper finishing for this board. For that I am using black acrylic color and using a sponge I'll just dab the color on the edges. By dabbing the color using this sponge, you can give a slight vintage look for this project. As you can see the difference how it was looking before and now. And lastly, I'll stick this chipboard using Fevicol glue. Friends, please excuse me for this background noise as it's raining heavily while recording. Finally, it's time to give a coat of varnish to secure our project. Once everything is done, here our project is ready. This is a customized DIY project. Similarly friends, you can also change a boring dull looking item into a beautiful and colorful home decor product. And here you can see the final look. So friends, I hope you like this simple DIY. If you like this video, please click the like button to support my channel. I hope I will see you soon in the next DIY video. Till then, you can watch my other videos as well. Take care and bye-bye.